I like your style. Don't make me give you some whooping on my head. Okay, I never seen this company, but it's a very like high brand. It's a headphones, and it's a Bluetooth wireless activate noise canceling. Ooh, that's pretty good. Fast pair. Woo! And it says tune 660 in inches. Inches or inches? Anyways, but it's wireless and pure bass sound and active noise canceling. Sans fill. Sun pure bass. Oh my god. Look where it says. Ooh, sheesh. Okay, I actually didn't know this is one of the very high top brands. Okay, and yeah. This is from what? What? Oh, hell no, hell no, hell no. Nah, I'm just joking. It's actually from, hold up, the mall. We found it, like, somewhere, I think. We found it in, like, the gaming areas. So, there's you have to charge it for 5 minutes and 2 hours. Okay. So let's unbox it. By the way, guys, I hope the comments is down below. Comment down below which kind of headphones do you like? Do you like Beats? The AirPods? And what was the other one from Apple? Comment down below. That's why it's there. Or the JBL. So let's go and open it. Oh my god, it's a U type C, USB type C. And that's pretty good. In fact, it's so good. What the hell? Keep your mouth shut. Stupid. Maybe. What happened? Ooh. It's hard. Okay, I see where this is going. Okay. Let me get a sneaky. Oh, I didn't look. I still didn't look. Damn, Jamal, you really wanna? Okay, anyways, in 3, 2, first drum roll. Until I say stop. And stop. Because this is the highest brand. Anyways, you can look at it. You little cheater. I said close your eyes. But anyways, if you cheat, subscribe to the video. That's your punishment. Jamal. Oh! No, but for real. For real! Okay. Let's not move to the good part yet. So this is a quick guide. I'm a quick start guide. It's gonna tell me like Bluetooth, stuff like that. Comment down below if you want to get this. It's like at Ross, Kohl's, Mall. But then later on I'll do something else. So I still got the guides. Okay. I don't need it. Yep. Yes, sirree. Now dun. Dun. Hold up. Oh, he just got that he been photo 24/7. Oh, alright. Drum roll. Okay. Okay. When I stop this drum roll, you better subscribe. And 3, and 2, and 1. Did you do it? I know you did, stupid. Alright, so first of all, as you can see, the JBL. Oh hell no. I gotta pick. Finally that I picked it up. Now let's see. Okay, it's pretty good. So we got a USB type C and a C type. Okay, it's pretty good. So I could use it for like Galaxy phone, anything with like C. Yeah, that's pretty good off to a good start. I thought I could use it for my PlayStation. You know what I'm saying? And we got 2 audio jacks. Okay. Stop fighting Vinny and Simon. Sorry, that was my cat. So this, I could really use this for my gaming. Yes, sir. So yeah, I could really use this for my gaming. And there's audio. There's input in and input out. So I will just put that behind my monitor, and then boom, that'll be perfect. Now, time for the best one yet. And 3, and 2, and 1. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, why are you meowing when you fighting? Stupid. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Sheesh. Oh my god. Let's take it slowly. But first, we gotta cut this out. Holy. Oh my god. This is how it looks like, guys. Look at it. Sheesh. I never seen any headphones this popular. One is like so cheap, but it's so popular. Oh my god. It's not some random it's not some random brand. It's not like it's not like Audio Zone, Audio Parts. It's like JBL. JB lacking. That's what it stands for. I got anxiety. Sight! I lied. Stupid. Who need a box? Oh my god. Let's see if it fits. I hope it fits. 3, 2, 1. It exactly fits. Oh my god. Well, I can't hear you. What'd you say? 9, right? What'd you say? 9, right? Oh my god. Woo! Woo! You can like adjust it. Okay. And there's the volume levels. There's the jack and a power button. And yeah. So, and that's where the charger is. The C. See right there. See? Okay. So it's pretty so good. I think there's not much around because they're so popular, but hopefully you get one, because I mean there's both sides you can charge it. I mean, like, hopefully you can get some, because if you do, I would get happy for you. And like, and I love me too much, I'm stuck by ya, I love me too much, stuck by ya. the fire. You never know. It's the fire.